Okay, this is a SAAB 9.5 right-hand drive, about 1999 model, partially pulled apart already. Just a question about where the DICE module is and how to get it out. Now it lives just up above the pedals. This cover plate, oops, needs to come out. There's 3 screws that hold it on, just 1, 2, 3. So this has already been pulled apart previously. But you undo that and then it slides forward slightly. There's a little, you can see the little white clip in there at the back of the plate actually hooks into that. So you just slide it forward a little bit, drops down and comes out. Now the OBD connector stays connected, but that's all right, there's plenty of room. Now the DICE module lives just above the accelerator pedal here. And this is it here inside this plastic casing. Now you've got 2 screws, one at the back, one at the front. Leave those in for the moment. This has actually been removed already. It's just sitting in place. The connector, if you grab it just towards the back where the wires come out, it pulls down and then that releases the connector and the connector comes away, then exposing the DICE module. Like I said, undo the 2 screws now, and once you've pulled those out, this should just come out. There we go, just give it a little jiggle, down it comes, and that's it. Really easy. And of course refitting it's just the reverse. Slide it back up in the hole, and it actually stays there without the screws. Pop the connector back on. Oops, line it up. Everything's always difficult when you're upside down back to front. Lock it in. That's it. Pop the cover plate on and you're done. And don't forget to put the screws back in.